Hi and welcome. I'm going to disassemble and view the upgrade parts. This is the Well MB03 rifle. This rifle belongs to a friend of mine and he had some problem. The rifle only shot 36 meters per second. There are 3 screws holding the upper receiver from the stock. Here is 2 of them. Here is the third one holding the receiver. Now you can lift the upper from the stock. Unscrew these 2 to remove the trigger house. My friend has broken the screw trace. I had to make a new trace on the head. Now it is possible to remove the trigger house and the spring stopper. The sear is made of steel and can handle strong springs. There is a safety lever and function properly. You need a strong cylinder for stiff springs. Good ventilation to expand O-ring when fired. The rear is made of steel, which is great, and the house of aluminium. This is a 90-degree catch, which required a 90-degree sears/trigger, and Airsoftpro sold these 2 as one set. Cylinder head is made of steel and has O-ring to seal. Airsoftpro M16O spring and spring guide is included with the trigger house set. To get to the chamber, first remove the block. There might be 2 screws holding the outer barrel. You have to loosen these. Now you can unscrew the barrel. Normally the chamber and the barrel will fall out, but in this case I need to push it out. The O-ring is keeping the tension of the levers. First remove it. There are 2 levers in this chamber and you might wonder why. With this function you can adjust so the BB flies straight. And there we have the spacer. The barrel is kept in place by 2 or 3 screws. Thread tape is used to guarantee proper sealing. Little silicone spray will make it easier to assemble. It will take some time to set the balance between hop up and the BB flight path. I recommend to set it before game or go to the game early to set it. You adjust the lever by these two screws. I put a new O-ring on the piston to match the cylinder and greased it. Some silicone grease will make it easier to pull. Since the cylinder is some millimeter longer, it will make it difficult to lock. After some modification, locking is good. Thanks for watching, see you next time.